Okay, so I'm gonna react.
Hey guys, this is Freddie the Grounded Bird, and today I'm gonna show you
Grounded
some custom thumbnails for season 2 of YouTube Friends.
Ooh.
So this is gonna be season 2, episode 3.
Oh, that little, like,
the purple fly.
bird's beak.
And I FNAF turned into a fly, and then Freddie thinks it's a real
Liar!
fly, so he's trying to kill him. And then he turns back to normal. At the end.
He's
Don't
purple.
Alright, now, this is a Halloween special. Trick or treat. I'm dressed as a bunny, and I is dressed as me.
Freddie.
And this is Sink or Swim.
Oh,
this is an Angry Birds
look at
parody.
Freddie, though.
And this one is inspired by Pingu, Sam, and Dork. YouTube friends at the wedding party.
YouTube friends at the wedding party.
So yeah.
I'll make sure I sit at the wedding
This will
party.
be for the last episode.
For episode of season 1.
On season 3, I think.
The last one.
Stay tuned for the thumbnail, for the videos. Hey guys, this is Freddie. Owen gets Pingu Sam arrested. Alright, now put the can.
His name is
put
not
it there.
Owen. His name is Oliver.
Here. And then run! Put it there. Then run!
Why is Pingu Sam all gray?
Wait a minute. What is this? It's like a can of soda.
Can of soda?
You are under arrest for littering. I didn't litter this. Oh my God! Stop lying. You're under arrest.
You and Oliver.
No! No more Finger Sam.
Finger Sam. Finger Sam.
This is your cell.
And yourself?
Get in there. You're gonna stay in there for 1 million years. That what you get for littering. I didn't litter. I didn't litter. Fine. And if you want me to check the security cameras,
He acts
you're
like
gonna be in
Grandpa
jail
from
until you die.
Savage.
Okay, now let's put up the security camera. After watching the security camera, I'm so sorry, Pingu Sam. I thought you did. You're free to go. Yay!
Ooh.
Owen!
His name is Oliver. I told you that. Not Owen.
That what you get for making people getting arrested. See, now you're gonna be in the jail until you die. You're never gonna come out. Oh, I hate being in jail. That sucks.
Derek, let's do the last one. Pingu. Ooh. What are they doing? Oh. Why is it not doing? He's not paper. Oh. I wasn't expecting you to see. Oh! Whoa! He's doing the splits reverse. Oh no! That could get you in trouble. The deagle. Oh, a gingerbread! Now he's gone. Him again! Happy holidays! It's coming soon.